Do not fool yourself. Remote work is not for everyone. In this video, I'm going to share with you exactly who remote work is for. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Clementine Afana, but you can call me Dr. Clem, and I teach busy people like you how to find remote work opportunities so that you can earn more and afford your dreams. One of my dreams has been to travel around the world, and I've been able to do that by working remotely at different stages of my life. If you are interested in this adventure, make sure that you subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you are the first one to know every single time I release a video about remote work and companies hiring. I also share experiences about everywhere I'm going and places where you can go for a short weekend getaways or vacations so that you can maximize your time and live your best life. So if you want to be a part of this amazing adventure, make sure that you also subscribe and turn on your post notifications. Finally, as a business owner and as an entrepreneur, I am having a unique and amazing conference happening in March of this year, 2023, in Dominica at the Fort Young Hotel. If you are a business owner, whether you just started or you have been in business for a while, but you haven't been able to meet your income goals and your impact goals, this conference is for you. We have an amazing lineup of speakers who are going to talk about how you can pivot even when the economy is hard, how you can scale your business regardless of what other people are doing, how you can pitch to big companies, land corporate deals, and make a lot more money and have a lot more impact. If you want to be a part of this adventure, I'm going to include a link to this event in the description box of this video. Sign up, save your spot. We only have 30 spots available because this is an in-person event. And if you're not a business owner but you know somebody who is, lately you might have been frustrated at your workplace, you might have been feeling like you deserve more, you want more in life, you want more to do with your time, and you want to cap or maximize your earning potential, and I love that for you. But this video might break a lot of hearts because I want to let you know that remote work is not for everyone, and not everyone is for remote work. So here are examples of people that I think can benefit from remote work. Number one, you are a mom at home or a stay-at-home mom. If you are a stay-at-home mom, that means that most likely most of your days you're spending them at home, either doing homework, taking care of your kids, working the house and so forth. So if you are already spending time at home and you don't have the flexibility or the latitude to be able to leave the home to have an office job, then remote work might be for you. And if this is your case, I want you to drop a comment in the chat to let me know what you think your skills category is so that I can give you better advice as to what type of job opportunities you can find when it comes to remote work for your specific situation. Number two, remote work might be for you if you have a disability. Now, not all workplaces are run or created equally, and I have seen a lot of companies that put a heavy emphasis on nurturing and taking care and making people with disability feel welcome. But this is not the case for every company in every single country. So if you have a physical disability or even any other type of disability that prevents you from being able to have an in-person job, then remote work might be for you. Number three, remote work might be for you if you are currently going to school but you want to be able to support yourself. I know a lot of people in this situation, and if this is you, reach out to me. My team and I might be able to help you find a remote job that fits your skills and fit what you are also currently studying at school. This is for you if you're at the college level or if you're at university and you are looking to find different ways in which you can monetize your skills, take care of yourself, and basically provide for yourself so that you don't fully depend on your parents, because trust me, it's tough out. Number four, if you love traveling, that will be my category. The remote work is definitely for you. I have had students in my signature coaching program taking like a year or 2 years off from whatever they are doing. It could be studying, it could be in an in-person job. I mean, in that case, it wouldn't be time off, but like just traveling the world. They've been to Turkey, they've been to France, they've been to so many different countries, and they are working remotely. So if you're somebody who loves traveling, you don't have a lot of in-person commitments, or even like if you have a family and so forth, there are a lot of people who are traveling with their families. You can secure a remote job and experience the remote work lifestyle for a year, 2 years, or what have you, however long If you run a business and you need capital to invest in your business, if you need to raise funds to source another source of income for you to be able to provide for your business needs, then remote work might be for you. In addition to having your in-person job, you can also take a side gig or a side hustle on the other side, and that side will be the internet, for you to find different opportunities to work online, generate capital for your business, and invest it back in your business. Like, imagine not having to depend on loans, for you to be able to run your business. Imagine being able to have the capital outside of your 9 to 5, for you to actually inject it back in your business. Remote work might just be for you. Are you fresh out of college and looking for different opportunities to work? I know a lot of times, and depending on the country where you are living, it might be difficult to find a job in the physical marketplace, especially for new graduates. Imagine getting out of college or even university, having this fresh, nice degree, but not being able to find a job. That's not cool, So in this instance, you can actually get a remote job as a newly graduate in the field in which you studied. So if this is your case scenario or your situation, comment under this video so we can find alternatives and solutions for you. If you want to save more money for whatever your goals are, whatever your plans are, whatever your projects are, then remote work is most definitely for you. I'm telling y'all, working in the physical industry caps your income. It means that you are only going to be able to earn to a certain level, and your expenses tend to also be accrued in a way that whatever you earn, you also spend. But if you feel like you want to save more to invest either in a business, in a travel venture, in further education, or whatever you want to do, your future family, whatever you want to do, get a remote job on the side. You can get a part-time job or a full-time job depending on your time availability and what you want to do. Remote work might just be free. Finally, if you plan to make a move abroad, whether it's for 6 months, a year, 2 years, or permanently, remote work is definitely for you. I mean, this has been one of the most exhilarating adventures of my life, just being able to travel to different countries, work remotely while I'm exploring different countries and so forth. And I think that is really a beautiful way to not just live, to explore, to discover, to grow, and to just do so much more. Traveling also allows you to have a change of sceneries, to be inspired by what people around the world are doing, and to come back as just a richer person, rich in experience, rich in empathy, rich in culture, rich in knowledge of the world, and rich in income. Because when you are working remotely, really, you are making a lot more than what you're doing just being in one place. So this wraps up our video. Remote work is not for everyone, but it's definitely for you if you are fitting in any of those case scenarios. If any of these apply, let me know in the comments below. I would love to know which situation or which case scenario applies to you.